Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and publish Canvas LMS courses. This is available for Canvas teachers and Canvas admins. Let's start. By the way, before you do these steps, make sure that you successfully log in using this link. After you successfully log in, you will see this button in your dashboard. You kindly click on Start a new course. The next step is you're going to type in course name and subject code. For example, I have my course name and this is my course code short name. Content license, just leave it as it is. After that, click on Create Course button. There you have it. You already created Canvas LMS course. The next thing you're going to do is to publish your course. Remember, you need to publish your course for it to be accessed and be seen by your student. To publish your course, kindly click on Publish button and choose either of the following. This time I'm going to click Syllabus. You can also choose a different homepage later. After you choose one of the following, click Choose and Publish button. Okay. You will know that your course is already published when the button turns to green. After you've created your Canvas LMS course, you can click on Settings to modify course details, add section, and other things you can do with your Canvas LMS. Once you're done with those steps, you can click on your dashboard and see your newly created Canvas LMS. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.